The dollar versus Swiss is now higher on the day. I'll talk about the technicals that are driving this currency pair after a move lower in the Asian Pacific session, a rise in the early New York session. So let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart of this currency pair, the last 3 or so trading days have seen up and down price action. First move to the downside, then to the upside, and then back to the downside, and now back to the upside again. That move to the downside that we saw in trading here today took the price below the 200-hour moving average in the Asian Pacific session. We tried to go below that level 2 times yesterday, and each time the market failed. So this time we saw increased momentum to the downside, but the price could not get below the low price from Friday's trade, and we started to see a rebound. Where do we go? Back to the 200-hour moving average, where we found willing sellers against that level, pushing the price back lower. But when we couldn't get below the low price from earlier in the day, we started to see a rotation back to the upside, and that move has now taken the price back to the 100-hour moving average. That's a blue line in this chart, and as you can see, we did move just above that level, but we're currently just below that level. As the market tries to figure out, can it keep this momentum going? Can they keep the price action breaking more to the upside? And that's what's at a risk here today, or right now for this currency pair for traders, is you need to get above and stay above the 100-hour moving average. If we're able to do that, then the 50% retracement level becomes a target. Note that the high price from yesterday of this move to the downside right here came right up to that 50% retracement level at 0.7973 level, and found willing sellers against that level. That kept the sellers in play with the moving averages as the other barometer on the downside. So get above the 100, stay above the 100, and the 50% retracement becomes the next target to get to and through. If you can't do that, if you can't stay above this level, then this area right through here, this between the 100 and 200-hour moving average becomes a neutral area where the buyers and sellers battle it out. And ultimately, we're going to get a break either one way or the other. So that's my look at the dollar versus Swiss. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.